Welcome. Um, I wanted to teach you guys a game today. So we're going to do a game today for math. And it is on your assignment. And you're on there, you'll see a document that has some of these little scorecards. And find someone in your house that can play with you. And this is the way that you play. So on this, each person has their own scorecard. Okay. And you can see, oh, that's so weird. It's opposite of what I think it should be when I'm looking at myself. So you see over here, it's got the round number. So you're going to play 10 different rounds of this place value game. Each person has their own scorecard. And the other material that you need besides this scorecard, one for each person that's playing, you could play with more than one other person if you have other people in your house that could play with you, or just one other person. A dog or cat will not do. They cannot do decimals with you. Sorry. I know that would be really cool if they could, but this is not the case. So you need one scorecard for each person that's playing, each player. You need some cards, just regular playing cards if you have some. You could play with dice if you have dice in your house. I did not bring my cool little basket of dice from school, so I don't have any dice in my house. I can't believe it because I have a million at school. I took out all the face cards out of this deck, so I only have number cards all the way through and only numbers 1, which would be the ace. Whoops, there it is, the ace, and 9. Okay, ace through 9 cards. Or another option is if you don't have cards handy or you can't find your cards in your house, get some little pieces of paper, cut them, and draw and write some numbers on them. Just random, any numbers you want, 1 through 9. Okay? So the way you play is a lot like place value poker. We've played place value poker quite a few times at school before. And you can choose each round to try and make the largest number or the smallest number. It's up to you. You could flip-flop it, alternate. Do one round as the largest and the next round as the smallest number. When it's your turn, you pick a card and you write that number in whatever place you want your 4, in this case, to go. So you would put your 4, let's say, in the ones place or in the tenths place. And I'm just going to write that down so that I remember. I'm going to put my 4 in my tenths place, then my partner would have a turn and they would get to draw a card and do the same thing. They get to decide where that number is going to go in theirs. And then my next card I draw is a 1. I'm going to write that one down in my thousandths place. And a 3, I'm going to write down, oh wait, my partner went, and now I'm going again, sorry. The 3 comes next, and I'm going to do my 3 in my hundredths place. I hope I get some big numbers because my number's not very big right now. And I've used my 4, 3, and my 1 in my decimals, which is the smallest part, right? Less than 1, 431 thousandths is a number that I have right now, and that's a lot less than 1, 431 thousandths. 5, good, I got lucky. So I'm going to put that like in my tens place. And then, sorry, I'll turn that down a little bit. It seems a little lot. 6. Oh wait, my partner went, now it's my turn. 6. I'm going to put that in my ones. I'm just going to cross my fingers and hope I get a number bigger than 5 or 6 for my hundreds place. And I did. 9. Okay. So before I can win, let's say that my number is larger. I look at what my partner has when they're done. And the only way that I can win is by reading this number correctly out loud to my partner. Otherwise, they get a chance to read their number out loud correctly. And if they do, then they win rather than me. They win the round rather than me, even though my number was larger than theirs. Okay. So 956 and 431 thousandths. Okay, that's how I say this number. 956 decimal point and 431 thousandths. All right, and then you continue play. You can alternate, like I said. Might be fun to do 5 rounds. Biggest number, 5 rounds. The smallest number. When you're done, you take a picture of this score sheet, your score sheet, and your partner's, or just yours. Doesn't matter to me. At least yours is on there, okay? and then upload it and put it into your assignment and submit it to me. All right, have fun playing. And there's lots of these little score sheets on your assignment. You can print out as many as you want. Oh, here's one thing I wanted to add. If you don't have a printer that works, or your ink is out, or whatever the issue may be, just make a little card like this. You can get a piece of paper and make a bunch of columns and label them hundreds, tens, ones, decimal point, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Okay? And play the exact same way. 10 lines. I'll take that as your submission credit if you make a paper copy just like this. Okay? All right. Have fun. See you later. Bye.